ComfortStall Flooring System combines a cushioned layer of orthopedic padding with an ironclad rubber top cover to support the joint and respiratory health of the horse. Developed in collaboration with Cornell University Veterinary Hospital in the USA, this proprietary design helps improve joint health, eliminate hock sores, reduce harmful ammonia gases, improve stable air quality, enhance quality of rest, relieve symptoms of laminitis, reduce the need for bandaging, and support thermal insulation. But did you know it's also the more economical option? ComfortStall requires less bedding and lower maintenance than traditional rubber mats. In fact, it typically pays for itself in less than a year. Interested? Let's find out how much you'll save with the ComfortStall ROI calculator. First, enter the number of stables in your barn. Then, input how much you're currently paying per bag of bedding, plus the size of the bag, and the number of bags you'll use in a stable per day. If you employ staff, add their hourly rate. Next, indicate the number of times your stables are cleaned per day, along with the number of minutes spent cleaning per stable. Finally, if you use a waste removal service, enter the per load removal fee and the size of the trailer. If you spread or compost your manure, leave these fields blank. That's it! The ComfortStall ROI calculator will automatically calculate how much you'll save each month and the number of months it'll take to pay off your investment. ComfortStall Flooring System, the better option for your horse and your wallet. Try the ComfortStall ROI calculator today and learn how much you'll save in maintenance alone. Available at Haygain.co.uk.